A blinking white light on your Rogers modem, like the Ignite XB7, XB8, or XB9, typically indicates it's booting up, updating its firmware, or undergoing system initialization. This process allows the modem to sync with Rogers servers and install important updates. The key is patience. Avoid power cycling or resetting the modem during this phase, as interrupting the update can cause further issues and potentially brick the device. This can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. If the white light continues to blink for an extended period over 15 minutes, try these troubleshooting steps. First, perform a soft reboot by unplugging the modem for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Allow it a few minutes to reconnect. If that doesn't work, consider a factory reset, but only as a last resort. You can access the modem's admin panel via a web browser at 192.168.1, or use the My Rogers app for diagnostics and support. Remember that Rogers' online support has interactive troubleshooting guides to assist you. For more complex issues, contacting Rogers support directly might be necessary.